guys, and welcome back to another segment of Cooking It Up with KC. Remember to hit that like button. So guys, we're just gonna add a little bit of garlic powder to it. So I don't want to make it too salty. Okay guys, so I'm just simply sticking the chicken so that when it goes into the oven it can be cooked properly on the inside. And I am using the sweet and spicy sauce from Grace. It's very good, by the way. So right now the chicken is in the pot. I'm just giving it a little color, a little roast look before putting it into the oven. So after having the roast look that I want, I'm now going to put it inside the oven and let it bake. So we'll be back. So right now I'm just gonna make a simple butter garlic cheesy pasta on the side. So right now all I'm doing is just adding butter and garlic to the pot, just like how you're gonna make like butter garlic shrimp or stuff. So I just added the garlic powder to the butter, and now I'm just mixing it around a little bit, and the pot is supposed to be on medium heat. Garlic and butter, all I added was flour, milk, and black pepper and salt. The flour makes the consistency thick. Okay guys, so this is how it looks so far. It doesn't look bad. Nice. Probably can leave it some more, a little bit more. But so far, I like the roast look because we did put it in the pot earlier from before. So I'm just gonna turn them over so the other side can get the juice. Ooh, okay. That's soft because that meat just came off so easily. I'm just gonna turn them over and put them back in for a little bit more, and then we'll see how it goes. So we're just going for like a sweet and spicy taste. Hopefully, I can't find a brush for the chicken, But so far, this is how it looks. I just want that sweet taste. So I'm just going to turn them over and do the same on this side. Okay guys, so it's not finished yet, but I took it out to look at it again and put some more of the sweet and spicy sauce. And just putting the gravy on top of the meat. I'm gonna put it back again